Wild World. It's choreographed by Maddison Glover. It is a 32 count, 2-wall intermediate level line dance with tags on the ends of walls 3 and 5. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tags that happen in this dance. Luckily, they're the same steps for both tags. And then we're going to go around and dance 6 walls of the dance so that you know how everything happens and where it happens, so that you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Wild World. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a right coaster with a sweep. We're going to step our right foot back, step our left foot next to our right, and as we step forward with our right, you're going to sweep your left foot from back to front. You're now going to cross your left over your right, step back with your right, and we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, quickly stepping our left foot to the left side. You'll now be facing 9 o'clock. We're going to cross rock our right over our left, recover back onto your left, and quickly step your right foot to the right side. We're now going to do a syncopated weave that makes a quarter turn. When you do this, you want to keep your steps nice and small so it doesn't travel too much to the side. So we're going to cross our left over our right, step our right foot to the side, left foot behind, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your right coaster step. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and. Section 2, we're going to do a left toe strut forward. We're going to take our left toe, touch it forward, and drop your left heel. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, touching our right foot next to our left to face 3 o'clock. You're now going to make an eighth of a turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot into the 430 diagonal. You're now going to step forward with your left, and you're going to make a half pivot over your right shoulder, quickly putting your weight onto your right foot. You'll now be facing 1030. You're going to rock forward with your left, recover back onto your right, and we're going to quickly step our left foot next to our right, and then do 2 walks forward into the 1030 diagonal, walking right, left. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your right foot, facing 12 o'clock. You're doing that toe strut. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Section 4. We're going to remain facing in the diagonal. We're going to do a right lock step with a sweep. We're going to step our right foot forward into the 1030 diagonal. Bring your left foot in and behind your right. Step forward with your right, and as you step forward, you're going to sweep your left from back to front. We're now going to cross our left over our right, step our right foot to the side, remaining into the 1030 diagonal, and step back with your left. We're now going to step back with our right. You're going to make an eighth of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 9 o'clock, and you're going to cross your right over your left. We're now going to do a full turning triple over our left shoulder. You can think it's a half with a cross. All you need to know is that you have 3 steps, so the distance that you travel for each step, you just want to make sure that you're staying in your own place. So we're turning over that left shoulder, we're stepping with our left, step right, and then we're going to cross our left over our right to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just stepped forward with our left, you're doing your lock step with your right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And for some styling, when you cross over, you want to twist your upper body towards the right so that you're doing that turn, and it's kind of dramatic. It gives you some momentum to make that full turning triple in place. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a nightclub basic to the right. So we're going to do a big step to the right, dragging our left foot into our right, rock our left foot behind our right, recover forward onto your right foot. You're now going to step your left foot to the left side, step your right foot behind your left, and we're going to quickly make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with our left foot to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, and we're going to do a syncopated back rocking chair, rocking back with our right foot, recover, rock forward with your right foot and recover, and then you would either do the tag or start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts. Our left is crossed over our right, facing 9 o'clock. You're starting with that nightclub. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then you would either go into your coaster step or the tag. So now let's turn and face the front. We're going to do it all the way through, one time with steps and one time with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your coaster sweep. Right coaster sweep. Cross, back, quarter cross rock. Recover, side cross, side behind, quarter toe stroke, quarter touch. 8th, step, half, rock. Recover, ball, walk, walk. Step, block, step, sweep. Cross, side, back. Back, 8th, cross, full triple, left, right, cross. Nightclub, rock, recover, side, behind, quarter, rock, recover, and your rocking chair. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left foot. You're starting with your coaster step. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tags. The tags are the same steps for both of them. You're going to do the full 32 counts on both walls 3 and 5. So that will both be our 12 o'clock facing wall. You will dance the full 32 to face 6 o'clock, and then you're gonna add on this small tag. I'm gonna turn to the front so that you can see what it is. So you would end the dance by doing your rock back, recover, rock forward, recover. We're just going to add 2 back steps with sweeps. So we're gonna step back with our right, and you're gonna sweep your left from front to back. Step back with your left and sweep your right from front to back. And then you will start the dance all over again with your coaster step. So let's try just that part with some counts. We would have done our rock 7 and 8, and you're doing back sweep. It's 1, 2, and then you would go into your coaster step. So let's try it facing the back wall, because that is where the restarts are going to happen. So it'll be facing 6 o'clock. You're going to end the dance with your rock back, recover, rock forward, recover. Do your 2 back sweeps, back sweep, and then you would go right into your coaster step sweep. And those are the only tags in the dance. So now let's go all the way around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, we're going to do counts. We're going to dance 6 walls of the dance so that you can practice both tags. Weights on your left foot. We're doing our coaster with a sweep. Coaster sweep. Cross, back, quarter cross rock. Recover, side cross, side behind, quarter toe stroke, quarter touch. 8th, step, half rock. Recover, ball, walk, walk. Step, block, step, sweep. Cross, side, back. Back, 8th, cross, full, triple with a cross. Side, rock, recover, side. Behind, quarter rock. Recover, and your rocking chair in your coaster. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, and coaster step sweep. Cross side, quarter cross rock. Recover, side cross, side behind, quarter toe stroke, quarter touch. 8th, step, half a rock. Recover, ball, walk, walk. Step, block, step, sweep. Cross, side, back, back. 8th, cross, full triple with a cross. Nightclub, face 6, side, behind, quarter rock. Recover, rock, back, and forward. Do your tag, back sweep, coaster. 1 and 2. 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, and coaster with a sweep. Cross back, quarter, cross rock, recover, side, cross, side behind, quarter, toe strut, quarter touch. 8th, step, half a rock, recover, ball, walk, walk, step, block, step, sweep, cross, side, back, back, 8th, cross, full, triple with a cross. Basic, side, behind, quarter, rock, recover, rock, back, and forward, do your tag. 1, 2, coaster, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8, and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, and that is the whole dance. The dance naturally ends facing 12 o'clock, so you don't really have to worry about an ending. I hope this helped you learn Wild World. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.